There are many types of robots and they are usually classified based on their function, form, or level of autonomy. Here is a clear and complete summary of the most common classifications in robotics. Types of robots by application. This is the most common classification and is based on the task the robot performs. Industrial robots. These are the most well-known and are used in manufacturing. They are typically robotic arms designed to perform repetitive and precise tasks on a production line, such as welding, painting, or assembling parts. Service robots. They help humans in non-industrial tasks. They are divided into professional. They assist in environments such as medicine, for example, the Da Vinci surgical robot, agriculture, or logistics. Domestic. They are used for household chores, such as the famous Roomba robotic vacuum cleaner or robotic lawnmowers. Exploration robots. Designed for extreme or inaccessible environments for humans, such as outer space, the deep sea, or disaster areas. Famous examples include the Perseverance rover on Mars and underwater robots. Military and security robots, used for tasks like bomb disposal, surveillance, reconnaissance, or rescue in conflict zones. Military drones are the most common example. Humanoid robots. Although they can also have a specific application, their main characteristic is that they simulate the form and abilities of human beings, such as walking, talking, or gesturing. Iconic examples are Sophia and Atlas. Nanobots. These are microscopic robots still under development. Research is being done on their potential for medical use, such as repairing tissues or attacking cancer cells. Types of robots by physical form. This classification is based on the way the robot moves and its appearance. Wheeled mobile robots. They use wheels to move on flat and stable surfaces. They are very efficient for transporting goods in warehouses or for delivery services. Tracked robots. They have tracks to move over difficult, uneven, or obstacle-filled terrain. They are ideal for military or exploration applications. Legged robots. They imitate the movements of animals or insects to navigate complex terrain. Famous examples are quadruped robots. Humanoids. Their design mimics the shape of the human body, which allows them to perform tasks in environments designed for people. Drones. These are unmanned vehicles that move through the air. Although they can be used in service or military applications, their physical form distinguishes them. Types of robots by autonomy. This type of classification is based on the level of human control they require to function. Teleoperated. They are completely controlled by a human remotely. A clear example is military drones or remotely operated underwater vehicles. Semi-autonomous. They require human supervision for certain tasks but can perform others on their own. A perfect example is cars with autopilot, which assist the driver but are not completely autonomous. Autonomous. They can make decisions and perform tasks on their own without the need for constant human supervision. The Roomba vacuum cleaner, which navigates and cleans a house by itself, is an excellent example.